Hello kids! Let's learn some colors name. Light green color, orange color, dark green color, brown color, yellow color, sky blue color, dark blue color, purple color, pink color, red color, black color, violet color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets and shapes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. A for avocado. B for broccoli. C for cauliflower. D for dragon fruit. E for eggplant. F for fruits. G for grapes. H for honey. I for ice. J for jam. Let's try to draw some shapes. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star, red color, orange color, yellow color, light green color, sky blue color, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.